Ha kebaidai bat kajing syak penderung ka Meghalaya ha kekerdan jong gejela kibuan syakmat ayak na kisantli kum gejela ke baduk tam. Ha ka kaiphod jong ke National Multidimensional Poverty Index MPI a Progress Review 2023. Kebala pelat dengan NITI Aayog ha ka katnyo terik unaitung arajar arpulai. Nagaliang kuanrat kongkal sangma uloong ba kesorkar kan sekhmih benia eka kaiphod kebala penmi dagan NITI Aayog. Bat bansyam iki senjam halor kene kebentar. Ndrai ke ik kongsan menta kadai ban pet banang ni syakmat bat kumno banwan ra ek jingye pher bat ban pen kala ik ik e baro. Menteri rangba ulong baki kam kijam kin syempor bat anhap ban sedang da kajing priang ya ke badan menta. Kijing bat kijing temjuk gi bamat menta bat ban traino na kebenta ban pen bahaya ka. Bat ukermen scam bahagisan snem ki banwan an CE ya kijing kala. Uli itu ba kejela kalamat ki babon kijing bat barok kisen jam ki balasyem hagisan snem ki balalet. Kibadai na gebenta ban penkelai ki iki baro bat kamlong ke besuk ban snutho bah ki sau pesan snem ki balalet kejela kala saadian bah hagi babun kiliang ula ainuksa ba ka Meghalaya kalawan ha kerdan ka ba arpuh nyau ha kajeng aitika nri menta kalawan ha kerdan ka ba ar ha kari bat kani kalau urlong namar ba ke sorkar klasyem khia ban pentikna bagan sedang terekam no halor kani gebenta ulong bah kejela kala poiru ka klepmat bah kajingyap ki kime kala jorbha Nrai hakisan snem ki balalet lala aban pendunai kane dasau pusan nesan pauna kesispa.
That yes, there are a number of challenges that Meghalaya faces, and all the steps in the last 5 years that we have taken has been towards changing that particular aspect of things. It's not simple. It's not so easy to understand that for the last 45 years we have been really lagging behind. There have been a lot of challenges. But we have tried to change that in the last 5 years, and we have made some changes, significant changes, and even Government of India has appreciated us. But yes, overall the challenges will remain, and we have to start off by accepting the fact that we do have challenges, accepting the fact that we are lagging behind, and only by accepting it will be able to take things forward. And what is important is now to look forward and see how we can make a difference and change things. So definitely, whatever the factors that NITI Aayog has brought into the measurement of this index, we will look into it in detail. If you remember, we were the last in vaccination when in 2018, when I had taken over, we were ranked 27th in vaccination. But today we are ranked number 2 in vaccination because we made it, a very, very strong effort to ensure that we started working on that aspect of things. We had a very large figure of maternal mortality rates at one point in time. But through the efforts in the last 5 years, we have brought it down by almost 45-50%. So it's a process, it's a procedure. Things do take time. It's not easy to create that momentum. We face large number of challenges, apart from obviously financial challenges. There are a lot of systematic challenges which we are trying to change. But slowly and steadily, you're seeing that that scenario is, in the process of being changed. I've mentioned this a number of times before, that today, we are, spending much more than what used to be spent many years back in terms of the budget provisions that are there. Our actual expenditures have crossed 17,000 crores, which used to be at 9,000 crores 5 years back. So these are the ways in which we'll be able to bring a change at the grassroots level. Number 2, we have to also realize that all these impacts and all these actions that we take needs to be done at the levels of the village, at the rural areas. Farmers need to be helped, and that is why programs like our Focus Plus programs, different mission mode programs that we are doing, be it the agriculture, which I just had a big function today. Or many other programs that we're doing. All of these programs are directly impacting the economic condition of the farmers. Now, do they yield immediate results? It's not easy. It takes time. Everything takes time. So, but are we doing the steps necessary? We are. Are we seeing a change? Yes, we are. Will we be able to jump the ranks? We will. But as I said, things take time. We have to, as I said, start off by accepting where we are, what challenges we face, and work towards improving it. But I'm sure that in the next 5 years, you will see a huge improvement in these numbers. We already are seeing the facts. I cannot show it to you you will not be able to see it because it's a large area of work that we're doing. But if you were to see the kind of different steps being taken, you would be able to understand that the actions being taken are precisely to ensure that these concerns and these issues are addressed. And I'm very confident that in the next 5 years, things will be very different for the state of Meghalaya.